Now let's look at the increment and decrement operators. Each of these operators come in two flavors. One is you have the value and then you add the plus plus operator after the value. And one is actually you add the operator before the value. So you see the dot dots, which are after the plus sign. So when you add the operator after the value, it's called postfix increment or postfix decrement. If you add it before the value, it's called prefix increment or prefix decrement. Now the word is very descriptive, increment and decrement. So basically it simply means +1 or -1, okay? So let's just take a look. So let's say if I have a variable var, a is equal to, let's say 2, and I want to +1 a. So I can do a is equal to a plus 1, right? I can do that. And that would make it 3. Perfect. But actually there's a shortcut for that. You can actually do just like this. So plus plus a, that's gonna do a plus 1, which is 3 plus 1, that's going to be 4. So you can simply do the negative sign as well, and that would make the difference. Now, this is the prefix operator, prefix decrement and prefix increment, because I added the operators before the variable or value. What happens if I add the plus plus after? Let's take a look. So what is the value of a right now? It's actually 3. So now if I do a plus plus, and now if I hit enter, nothing happened. I just got 3. That's weird. What's the point of this plus plus? Let's take a look. So I'm going to just do a and get the value of a. What is it right now? It says 4. So what the plus plus operator does when you add it after the variable is it adds the value, it does the +1, but it returns the previous value when it returns it. It actually did change it. It did change the value of a. It did 3 plus 1, which is 4. But it returns the previous value. That's all the difference is. So you saw a over here has the value of 4, but it did return the previous value when the operator actually ran on it. So that's just a minor difference, which can be very huge when you're actually writing programs and you actually are expecting a particular outcome, but you don't get the right outcome. So these differences, these minor differences, are very important. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to talk to you in the next.